Do you know how one of the greatest footballers in the world overcame poverty, loss, and countless challenges to achieve greatness? This is the story of Cristiano Ronaldo, a journey from nothing to becoming the best. Stay till the end, because this story might just inspire you to transform your life too. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Madeira and came from a very poor family. His early life was filled with struggles. His father, a gardener, battled alcoholism and tragically passed away in 2005 from liver failure. Ronaldo's mother worked as a cook and a cleaning lady to ensure her family had hot meals. Ronaldo recalled, "I was brought up with nothing. We were very poor. I had no toys or Christmas presents. I shared a room with my brother and two sisters while my parents slept in the other." Despite these hardships, having a ball to play with always brought him joy and made him focus on becoming the best. At the age of 8, Cristiano began playing for Andorinha, his first club, where his father worked as a kitman. His talent and work ethic were evident even in his early days. By 11, he caught the attention of Sporting Club de Portugal. But there were doubts about him. Many said he was too small and skinny. Ronaldo decided to prove them wrong. "It's true, I was skinny. I had no muscle. So I made a decision. I was going to work harder than everybody else." He started sneaking out at night to work out, building his strength and speed. Soon, the whispers about his size turned into awe at his performance. Though he was popular with other students, he wasn't with his teachers and was once expelled from school for throwing a chair at a teacher who disrespected him. One of Ronaldo's most difficult moments was leaving his home in Madeira to join the Lisbon Academy at just 11 years old. "Football gave me everything, but it also took me far away from home before I was really ready. It was the hardest time of my life," Ronaldo said. At 15, his career nearly ended before it began due to a heart condition that caused his heart to race even while resting. He underwent surgery, which thankfully allowed him to continue playing and focus on his dreams. In 2003, he signed with Manchester United for £15 million, becoming the first Portuguese player on the team. Sir Alex Ferguson insisted he wear the iconic number 7 jersey. In 2009, Ronaldo transferred to Real Madrid for a record-breaking €94 million, making him the most expensive player in history at the time. After almost a decade, he joined Juventus on a €100 million transfer, the highest ever for a player over 30. Throughout his career, Ronaldo has won 27 major trophies, including 5 league titles, 5 European Cups, and a European Championship. Ronaldo's journey wasn't without struggles, failures, and setbacks, but his unwavering focus, tireless work ethic, and commitment to improvement shaped him into one of the greatest footballers of all time.